Have you ever wondered how billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, they manage to secure unlimited capital while most businesses struggle with rejections or low credit limits? Like, what if the difference isn't just their wealth, but it's their strategy? I get your frustration because I've been there. Banks wouldn't listen, credit limits were too low. I felt stuck. And then everything changed when I started working with high profile clients. I learned you needed to restructure your financial foundation and build strategic relationships to access hidden capital. But credit wasn't the only aspect that banks were looking at. When your financial profile is maximized as a whole, you're literally handed the keys to the kingdom. Like, I secured my clients multiple six figures in credit at 0%, by the way, grew their businesses beyond their wildest expectations. So what does maximizing your financial profile actually even mean? After working with celebrities, high-profile businesses, and entrepreneurs of all levels, I'm ready to share these strategies with you. Now, I've helped business owners like you unlock funding from startups to multi-million-dollar enterprises, and my clients have gained access to capital in places they never thought was even possible. And if you're ready to transform your financial future and access the funding that your business deserves, click the button somewhere on this page and let's get started. Imagine having a step-by-step roadmap to unlocking funding, building banking relationships, partnerships, structuring your business like the ultra wealthy do. Interested yet? Now you might wonder, do I need perfect credit? Do I need to be a millionaire? Let me break it down for you. No, you don't need perfect credit to get started, and you don't need to be a millionaire. This works for serious business owners across industries like e-commerce, real estate, and pretty much any industry, right? And it's all legal, ethical, and proven. Now, here are just a few results that our members are enjoying. And keep in mind, these are average results. These are not the top results that nobody else can achieve, but the super dedicated or anything like that. This is strictly average results. And so take Dustin, for example. This guy's never even seen an LLC in his life. After working with us, he got his first ever business card, $50,000. Another guy, David, that was coming in, he was hesitant because his credit wasn't perfect, and he had this BOA account on his Experian, and boom, it was removed, gone in just about 2 weeks, right? So we got him up and he was able to get money. And we got another guy, Joe, their bankruptcy came off Experian in under 30 days. One of their clients, she's super excited, right? And then we had Dante, who had a credit limit using our Chase relationships to get him $50,000. There's nothing in credit that we can't remove. And then you talk about, the relationships that we have on this. I got Mansoor, another one, a $70,000 credit limit at Chase with a thin credit profile, by the way, using my relationships. Now let's talk about Summer. She didn't even own a business. We had to set the business up at first. It was a brand new LLC, and she got $70,000 from Chase. And then you look at Samuel, who has owned a restaurant, normally in the high risk industry, like banks don't want to lend to this at all, right? And he got $75,000 from my relationships at Chase. Okay, now all of this, keep in mind, this is just average clients. Anybody who comes in, they use this, we work together, and they're able to access money that they've never been able to access in their entire life in ways that they never thought were possible. And these are real people just like you who've transformed their business using these strategies. And this is just the beginning. Remember, I said you need a complete financial profile for banks to love you. Okay, this means you learn tax strategies, asset management on the highest level, how to create low risk LLCs, and tons more I can't even talk about here, right? So here's the reality. 80% of business owners denied funding because they don't know how to navigate the system, but you can be among the few who truly understands the credit system in a way that nobody around you does and secure six-figure lines of credit and transform your business. When we start working together, you'll never have to worry about access to money again, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So think of it like discovering a hidden elevator on a skyscraper while everyone else is taking the stairs. Okay, while they struggle, you're smoothly ascending to the top, bypassing all the obstacles and accessing all these new opportunities, right? Well, the ultra wealthy have been accessing this hidden elevator for years, and now it's your turn. So my high profile clients usually pay $42,000 a year for this guidance. But what if you could access these strategies for a fraction of the cost, right? And you don't need years to figure this out. Over the past 2 years, I've perfected this simple, easy to follow roadmap that literally nobody can screw up. Okay, it's like having a financial GPS guiding you directly to your destination, avoiding all the typical roadblocks. Listen, no perfect credit is needed to even get started. Any credit issues, we can fix fast. And I'm not talking about these useless dispute letter methods that you see everywhere, right? No millionaire status needed, no complex system to navigate a loan. Like, I've literally removed every barrier for you to succeed, okay? Now, you might still wonder, do I need a new business entities? What about existing accounts? Don't worry. Like, setting all this up is simpler than you think, and you'll be guided every step of the way. When we start working together, you'll get access to an ultra detailed online course that I've spent over 2 years putting together. You're going to get weekly live coaching and exclusive resources that you've never seen anywhere else. Like, I'll connect you with my personal network of banking relationships so you can get secure capital that much quicker, right? So worst case, you gain invaluable knowledge for future ventures, but best case, you unlock unlimited funding, build powerful relationships, you elevate your business. Like, would $100,000 right now make a difference for you? If so, click the link and let's get started. Now remember, nothing changes unless you take action. Like, what you're about to experience on the other side will change your financial life forever. Okay, a little bit of the hard stuff. Now, let's decide if being a member of an elite community like this is even right for you. So first, the obvious stuff. Simply being a member of this community will not cause your bank account to explode. So if you've been on a buying get rich quick program kick lately, you might want to give this a pass, because I don't believe in get rich quick. I believe in make it fast, make it count, and make it last. Now, I'm not going to apologize that you won't become wealthy overnight. Okay, if that's what you expect, so sorry, this isn't for you either. Okay, second, you'll be learning strategies that you've never heard of before, okay? Which means that yes, you'll need full concentration, and that will require you to actually do things, just so we're clear. All right, now look, I can teach this stuff. I've been doing it for 18 years, and you won't be able to ask me a question about credit that I can't get the answer to. For me, this stuff is like breathing. It just happens automatically. All right, but I can't make you do it. All right, I'm not going to do it for you either. So please, and I mean this with love and respect, take a look in the mirror and ask yourself, like, if you're ready to experience this profound of an impact in your life. And I've been around credit and finance long enough to tell you, the people that actually do something with this stuff are the ones that ever actually end up getting results at all. Now, this isn't a scarcity play, but I'm only going to take as many members as I believe that I can give enough of my personal attention to without sacrificing quality or delivery, which means that if you come back later and the membership's closed, you'll have an opportunity to get on a wait list for the next opening we have to the public. But judging by the initial responses and praises that we've already had, it could be several months before I'm able to organize all this stuff and reopen a membership to even more people, right? So if you've truly decided that you're ready for this kind of mass transformation in your life, click the button and take the first step towards that transformation of your financial future. With all of these strategies, you won't just access funding. You'll redefine your entire financial future. All you have to do is make the small investment right now and see what else is waiting for you on the other side that I wasn't even allowed to talk about in this video. So don't settle for less when you have the tools to achieve everything you want. It's just one click away.